Hello everyone, this is Miss Art, and this is part 2 of the 3-tree pop-up project. For this project, you will need your pop-up paper you created in part 1, a sheet of paper about the same size, a glue stick, scissors, any coloring materials such as crayons, colored pencils, or markers, art pens or Sharpies if you have them, and the 3 trees you created. We're going to start part 2 off by beginning to decorate the trees you created. They can be decorated in any way that you want, but all 3 should look different from the other. I'm going to be speeding along as I decorate this one tree, as it is just an example for you guys. I've already gone ahead and decorated all 3 of my trees so that I can move on to the next part, which is the background. Remember that everything above the fold line is considered the sky and everything below it is the land. So think about the type of background you would like to have. Is it a day sky or a night sky? Will there be more trees? Make sure you have the idea first before adding color. You don't want to have to start all over again if you go in with color and find you don't like the result, or you've added something you don't want. While colored pencil can be erased, marker is permanent. For my sky, I decided to use a reference picture of a wintry sky to base my background on. Once you are done creating your background, you're going to begin creating the backing. And the backing is for extra support so that your pop-up will stand up. So grab your extra sheet of paper. You're going to fold it by bringing the top down to the bottom, matching up the edges as carefully as you can, and smooth out your fold. Now that you've folded your backing paper, grab your pop-up paper. It's going to be placed on the inside of your backing paper, lining up the fold line and the edges as best you can. To attach the backing to your pop-up, add glue along the edges of the pop-up paper. You don't want to add glue to the backing because you might accidentally glue your whole entire project shut. Once the glue is on, line up the fold lines and the edges and bring the backing paper down. Press firmly and you're going to massage the back of the paper. one side is attached, you can work on the other side. You will do the same exact process for the other half, adding more glue where needed. Now that your backing is attached, you can attach the 3 trees you created to the pop-up area, deciding on your placement for each tree. Think about the sizes, the widths of your trees, and where each one would look best. With your 3 trees now attached, it is complete. I hope you enjoyed the pop-up project. See you next time. Goodbye.